Today is going to be an important day. We have met in the past, the last event as well, where we were hosting Manish Pandey. आज हम मस्ती करेंगे. We have got Aditya with us. But आज के event थोड़ा special होने वाला है. I'll tell you why, right? At JI's group of institutions, with the vision of Jaspreet ma'am, Simar sir, we are trying to do something जो इंडिया में majority of the college बस बोलता है, लेकिन करता नहीं है कि कॉलेज में ये स्टार्टअप बना देंगे, ये कर देंगे, लेकिन होता नहीं है. You can't build a startup just like that. Idea आया, startup बना दिया. मैगी नहीं है. It takes a lot of time. You have to do a lot of market research. You have to find a problem and you have to find a solution to it. A lot of things that goes behind building a startup. And Aditya, you see, how many of you have seen Aditya in the past? Or you know about him? अभी बोलूँगा, how many of you know Johnny Sins? सब हाथ ऊपर करेगा. पकड़ में आ गया. You must be knowing a lot of people with 1 million followers on Instagram. एल्विश यादव का नाम लूंगा, रजत दलाल का नाम लूंगा, अभी हाथ ऊपर हो जाएगा. Right? This man, I know him for the last 2 years. He has more than 1 lakh followers on LinkedIn. And I'm sure कि अगर आप LinkedIn को अच्छे से जानते हो, having 1 lakh followers on LinkedIn means having more than 1 million followers on Instagram. It's not that easy. If you know about him, his journey is very unique. Sorry, I have to sugarcoat a lot of things about you, which is truth. थोड़ा मतलब ये बोलना बहुत important है, आपको समझना पड़ेगा. He was just a guy like you, a college student, right? He joined as an intern at Fard Capital, one of the biggest VC firms of India, who have invested in more than 120 plus startups with over 170 plus crores. He joined as an intern, and few years back, he turned into a CEO of that VC firm. He's now the CEO of Fard Capital. तो आसान सी भाषा में समझाऊं इनका काम क्या है. आप जैसे बच्चे जब स्टार्टअप बनाते हैं, जब आपको स्टार्टअप को स्केल करना होता है, तो आप किसके पास जाते हैं? आप जाते हैं इन्वेस्टर्स के पास, VCs के पास. He is the guy who is going to completely analyze your startup and decide कि पैसा देना है कि नहीं देना है. So it's very important whatever we are going to speak today, आप उस चीज़ को सुनो. बिकॉज मुझे पता नहीं आप में से आपका क्या ड्रीम है. कोई जॉब करेगा, कोई 20 साल बाद स्टार्टअप करेगा, कोई कल करेगा, कोई अभी स्टार्टअप बना रहा है. सो कृपया करके अपने फ़ोन को साइलेंट मोड पे डाल दीजिए और टिंडर को बैकग्राउंड एप्लीकेशन से बंद कर दीजिए. एंड लेट्स स्टार्ट फोकस. राइट, बिफोर वी स्टार्ट अ बिट ऑफ एनर्जी चेक. हाउ इज द जोश? फिर मैं वही चीज़ बोलूंगा, वो वाला हाई लग रहा है. हाउ इज द जोश? नहीं लग रहा है. ये JI's ग्रुप नहीं है, थोड़ी ना है. हाउ इज द जोश? नहीं आ रहा है मजा यार. हाउ इज द जोश? One more time, better energy. How's the Josh? So Aditya, coming back to you, I hope you give me a good treat.
Hi, sir.
Hi, sir. So I'll ask you basic. We'll start with the basic question. How do you define a startup? And what is the difference between a startup and a business?
Very good question. And first of all, thank you so much to JIS group, right, for inviting me here. Always a pleasure to speak to students, because I think just 6-7 साल पहले I was sitting on the other side, right, not a long while ago. अगर मैं मास्टर्स कर लेता तो ये टाइम थोड़ा और कम हो जाता, बट अंडरग्रेड के बाद 7 साल बाद ही आई थिंक ऑन द अदर साइड स्पीकिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू. सो लेट मी, right, since I am also an educator, I always like teaching with examples. So consider, let's say you have a momo shop, right? How many of you love momos, by the way? Perfect example. So let's say you have a momo shop, right? You set it up on a street. Now that is a business that you are starting up, right? Let's say you sell momos very, very effectively. People from 1 neighborhood, 2 neighborhoods, 3 neighborhoods come and eat at your shop. And you're getting popular, right? People are appreciating you for your taste. After that, you decide that, okay, I need to have an online delivery system, right? I need to invest in website, because how would then people discover me? I need to come out with new flavors, right? I need to do packaging of momos as well. Earlier, I was just selling it in a simple plate, right? In a foil plate. Now I need to do some packaging also. So you put technology, you put investment in website, you put investment into marketing, you put investment into packaging. Now doing all of this, eventually, you are slowly and steadily turning into a startup. How you're turning into a startup is because you're doing certain level of innovation. That innovation can come with the new flavors that you are launching, right? Or you're leveraging technology to scale. This is what differentiates in a large term between a startup and a business. Earlier that Momo shop, right? अगर उसके पास website वगैरह कुछ नहीं थी, it was a pure business. But now it is doing innovation. It has a USP. It is investing into technology and leveraging that to scale, to not just sell to 2 or 3 neighborhoods, but to sell pan India. And that is what a startup is.
And that is what we call Wow Momo, if I'm
Yes,
not wrong.
yes.
How many of you have heard about Wow Momo? So you understood the difference between a startup and a business, because it's very important to understand
Exactly.
that difference. There's a thin line. And if I'm not wrong, startup is all about finding a problem statement in the market and you come up with a solution, right? But for young people who are college, there are people from students from first year, from second year, from third year and fourth year. How should they get into the world? कैसे वो startup world में घुसे? मतलब पहला क्वेश्चन ये आता है कि सर स्टार्टअप का आइडिया कहाँ से लाऊं मैं? एक बहुत कॉमन सवाल होता है कि स्टार्टअप का आइडिया कहाँ से लाऊं? How do you want to respond to this question?
Great. I think I also had this question, and I'll explain you with my journey, right? How many of you have heard of Delhi University by any chance? DU? A lot of you. So I also went to Delhi University. Now the thing about Delhi University is, of course, it's great, but Delhi में जगह नहीं है, right? Students आते हैं, but they can't find places or suitable places, safe places to actually live, to have PGs, to have toilets. And that was one of the first problems that I picked up in college, right? My problem was simple, and it's a very funny story. So what we used to do is we used to stand outside girls' hostels, right? And we used to figure out that there was crowd, of course, eventually outside girls' hostels. But people only used to complain one thing when we used to talk to all the boys. Okay? We don't have places actually to live. And if you actually go to a college, आप कॉलेज में लेट्स से मई में आपके रिजल्ट्स आते हैं, मार्च के आसपास मई में रिजल्ट्स आते हैं, मई जून में, एंड जिन जुलाई ऑनवर्ड्स कॉलेज स्टार्ट्स. सो इन दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी यू हार्डली हैव 1 or 2 months to actually, not even 15 days to actually go find a place, get all your stuff, figure out, pay the deposit and everything, and just start. So we find out how we can solve this problem. We figured out that this is the problem, people don't have their places, and colleges may only merit holders and rank holders get PGs. If you don't have a rank or merit, then eventually you're not getting anything.
So these are college-owned PGs.
Yes. So college में जो hostels थे,
हाँ.
there were only 30 seats, 40 seats, 50 seats limited. But बच्चे पढ़ रहे थे 300, 400, 500, 600, 1000, 2000.
Okay.
तो उन 700 बच्चों का क्या, उन 800 बच्चों का क्या जिनकी रैंक नहीं है, and they need to find a PG. So what we did is, we stood at canteens, we stood at juice shops, photocopier shops, and we used to say कि अगर आपको PG चाहिए तो चलो मैं दिलवाता हूँ. And that's how we started building that problem eventually. And later on, of course, we sold it at a multi-million dollar valuation to one of the largest players in this segment called Stanza Living, right? So eventually, the crux of this matter is, problem is all there around you. आप आसपास देखोगे आपके लाइफ में बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स हैं. लोग अपने साथ वाले दोस्तों को भी देख रहे हैं और कह रहे हैं अरे यही सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है मेरी. बट इवेंचुअली राइट, आसपास इतनी प्रॉब्लम्स है कि इंडिया डज नॉट नीड टू फाइंड आउट प्रॉब्लम्स, इंडिया नीड्स टू फाइंड आउट वेज टू सॉल्व दैट प्रॉब्लम, राइट? हाउ इनोवेटिव यू कुड बी, और बेसिकली हाउ कैन यू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम इन द फास्टेस्ट मैनर, राइट? So when we started solving this for PGs and toolets, our innovation was nothing but marketing. Because in a 15 days window is only where you can sell. अगर आपके 15 दिन गए, बच्चे का कॉलेज स्टार्ट हो गया, आप नहीं बेच सकते उसके बाद, राइट? बच्चे को उससे पहले चाहिए. So in 15 days we used to throw parties, we used to sponsor fest. एक दिन हमें पता चला कि अच्छा एक फेस्ट में छोले भटूरे खत्म हो गए. So हमने एक वेंडर को फ़ोन लगाया, हमने कहा कि आप 110 रुपये की प्लेट बेचना, 70 रुपये की थी, 70 रुपीज़ की प्लेट, सेल इट एट 110, गिव मी 20 रुपीज़ मार्जिन, 20 रुपीज़ यू टेक, and sell and just promote our PG that we are selling you PGs. So imagine having a chole bhature plate and getting a coupon, right, for a PG. Ki here is a PG. After chole bhature and lassi, you can finally take sleep in this PG. So eventually, that's how we figured out innovative ways to solve that problem.
Got it. So यहाँ पे मैं एक important सवाल करूँगा since you are an investor, you know, whenever कोई भी startup आपके पास आता है with a pitch to raise fund, what is the first thing that you see in the founder?
Yeah, very good question. And eventually, right now you all of you will have this question कि Aditya, what do you look for in a founder, right? Because founder is the only tangible thing that we have.
Because I've heard a lot, you know, in my experience working with the VCs, you know, they consider a lot कि founder का background क्या है, IIT background से, Harvard का background से, MIT का background से, वो थोड़ा बहुत IIM background से थोड़ा matter करता है. So what is your thesis when it comes to, you know, judging a founder?
Right. जब आप let's say एक स्वीट शॉप पे जाते हैं, सिर्फ कैलकाटा इज नोन फेमस फॉर स्वीट, राइट? यू हैव शॉन्देश, राइट? अब आप एक पर्टिकुलर दुकान पे क्यों जाते हैं? बिकॉज यू नो इट इज सर्टिफाइड, राइट? यहाँ पे क्वालिटी अश्योरेंस है. दैट डज नॉट मीन दैट द अदर शॉप कैन नॉट क्रिएट दैट सेम क्वालिटी. सिमिलरली व्हेन यू लुक एट अ फाउंडर इन अ टैग, राइट, कि अगर उस पर ठप्पा लगा है एक सर्टन कॉलेज का, तो यू वुड से कि हाँ डेफिनेटली देयर इज सर्टन लेवल ऑफ वैलिडेशन, बट डज दैट मीन कि इवेंचुअली द स्टार्टअप सक्सेसफुल हो गई? मतलब यू हैव सो मेनी स्टार्टअप्स फ्रॉम IITs, IIMs विच हैव नॉट बीन एबल टू स्केल अप, मतलब मल्टीपल थाउजेंड्स ऑफ देम. सो व्हाट वी हैव रियलाइज्ड इज कि फाउंडर पे पैसा लग रहा है, फाउंडर की डिग्री पे पैसा थोड़ी लग रहा है. नोट तो IIT वाला भी सेम देगा, नोट तो एक JIS वाला भी सेम देगा, राइट? सो इवेंचुअली इट इज ऑल अबाउट द credibility and the execution power of that founder, more than the credibility. That if you have a problem statement, can that founder solve that problem in the best way possible? Can that founder generate revenue in the best way possible? Even if he's or she's selling momos or doing, of course, doing any consumer stuff, can they actually make it 1,000 crore business eventually? So this is where the exit is. मेरा एग्जिट निकलेगा फाउंडर उस स्टार्टअप की एक सक्सेस और एक स्टार्टअप के रेवेन्यू स्केल पे. उस पे एग्जिट नहीं निकलेगा कि ये IIT से था या IIM से था. इवेंचुअली इनफैक्ट मैं तो ऑन लाइटर नोट, IIT IIM से होता है तो भाई मैं पहले ही बोलता हूँ कि भाई आपको क्या नहीं पता है आप वो पहले बता दो, क्योंकि आपको जो पता होता है वो तो आप एग्जाम में भी लिख के आते हो, राइट? टू अ नॉन IT फाउंडर ऐसे वाई आर यू डूइंग दिस? What is your eventual drive of doing this, right? If not this, then why? So I think it's just about founder पे मुझे कितना belief और at the end of the day gut feeling भी है, कितना भी मैं कर लूँ.
So at Fard Capital, can you just share your experience of one of the craziest exits you have? First I want you to explain the young student what exit really means in the startup economy. So क्या होता है exit and what is the craziest exit you have ever had from Fard Capital?
Yes, definitely. We've had almost 12 plus exits and happy to tell you about that. So देखो exit similarly क्या होता है, right? अब जैसे अगर आप इस हॉल से भी exit लेते हो, right? Eventually, what was the process? You came here for an event, you attended that event, your purpose was over, right? और let's say अगर आपको बीच में भी boring लगा तो आपने exit ले लिया, right? Your purpose, your personal purpose was over. Similarly in a startup, you invest, you had a certain expectation. If that expectation was met, right, you exited. Now here, startup में exit जब हम बोलते हैं, that expectation is like an investment is a multiplier on capital. अगर आपने 2 रुपए डाले तो आप 10 रुपए देख रहे हो, आपने 10 रुपए डाले तो आप 100 रुपए देख रहे हो, आपने 100 डाले तो आप 200 देख रहे हो, right? तो अगर आपका वो expectation meet हो गया, you exit, right? So this is what a startup exit is. Now, one of the craziest companies, one of the biggest exits, in fact, also that we've had, I'll tell you the multiple later. In fact, I'll ask the audience to guess. Was a company in 2019. What they used to do is, अभी electric vehicles में कौन-कौन बैठा है EV गाड़ियों में? Snappy में या non कहीं पे भी कौन-कौन बैठा है? So, okay, so some people have sat in electric vehicles, right? This number eventually is going to increase. So what we invested in a company in 2019. Their proposition was simple. अच्छा, ई रिक्शाज में कौन कौन बैठा है? ई रिक्शाज में सब बैठे हैं. Now that company was making basically e-rickshaws में सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है कि the battery gets exhausted very very quickly because these guys drive rashly and everything, right? So अगर आप एक ई रिक्शा को फुल चार्ज पे भी चलाओगे, आप एक चक्कर से ज़्यादा चला ही नहीं सकते हो पूरे दिन में. Only one cycle you can complete. If you're doing just one cycle, that means 1,000 to 1,000 rupees. You can't even earn more than that. Now we invested in one company. They said it's very difficult to go back and charge again because it takes like 5 hours, 4 hours, 3 hours, even with fast chargers 1 or 2 hours. अब कोई अगर रोड पे रिक्शा चला रहा है वो 2 घंटे वापस से घर जाके चार्ज तो करेगा नहीं. Now the simple solution was what happens in F1. F1 अगर आपने देखी है, राइट, या कभी रेसेस देखी हैं, गाड़ी आती है, पिट स्टॉप पे रुकती है, चीज़ें चेंज होती हैं एंड द गाड़ी इज रेडी टू गो. सिमिलरली समथिंग दैट दे डिड इन बैटरीज, कि हम rather than charging, we'll just swap the battery. We'll take a fully charged battery, take out their exhausted one, put the fully charged battery, and the vehicle is ready to go, right? And rather than doing just one chakkar, the electric vehicle can do 2 chakkars, right? So income is doubled. We invested in that company, but there was no infrastructure. 2019 में EV की तो कोई बात ही नहीं कर रहा था. We invested in them, and धीरे धीरे that infrastructure grew. इनफैक्ट सबसे ज़्यादा बैटरीज पता है स्टेशंस कहाँ लगे? एट पेट्रोल स्टेशंस. क्योंकि पेट्रोल पे बाहर ही पेट्रोल पे आता था बंदा पेट्रोल लगाने, उसके बाहर अगर वो ईवी बैटरी भी लगा लेता, द अडॉप्शन वाज फास्टर. एंड नाउ गेस द एग्जिट दैट वी वर टेकन. मतलब आप मल्टीपल गेस करो, अगर हमने 1 रुपये डाले तो हमने कितना गुना कमाया होगा? जस्ट एनीवन टेक अ रैंडम गेस. रैंडम गेस लाइक 1x, 2x, 3x, कितना कमाया होगा? 3 times, 4 times, 10x, 27x.
In short, if you have invested 1 rupees, what was the return that he made out of it? क्या return मिला from that startup when he took an exit?
15, 20.
Somebody said 15, 20.
61x. 61 times I multiplied my capital on that.
And this was in a span of how many years?
Less than 4 years. Almost a return of 370%. अगर मैंने फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1 करोड़ डाले, I exited with 61 crores in my pocket. ज़्यादा ही डाले थे वैसे इससे.
And what was the name of the startup?
Battery Smart. They do almost 3 crore swaps today. 3 crore.
And how are they doing in today's world? You know, what is the valuation?
4,000 crores. I invested at 40 crores. So that is the thing. उस टाइम पे EV चलेगा नहीं चलेगा कुछ नहीं पता था. Swaps आएंगे नहीं पता था. अ सिंपल प्रोपोजिशन फाउंडर ने कहा था कि सर इट्स अ हिट एंड मिस. अगर चल गया ईवी की अडॉप्शन, बिकॉज ईवी की अडॉप्शन गाड़ियों में होना हो, इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल रिक्शाज में तो होगी ही होगी, राइट? बिकॉज दीज फॉर देम रिक्शा इज इवेंचुअली देयर सोर्स ऑफ इनकम एंड दे वुड वांट टू डू 2 चक्कर्स एंड 3 चक्कर्स मोर देन अ कार व्हीकल ओनर.
And can you tell me the average age of the founders when they reached out to you at Fard Capital?
So our oldest founder, he calls himself youngest, is almost 76 years old. Our youngest founder is almost 21, 22, right?
21, 22.
And average is somewhere around 35, 34, somewhere around that.
So मेरा यहाँ पे एक सवाल है कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन बच्चों में से आज अगले 1-2 साल में कोई एक बढ़िया स्टार्टअप आता है. They come up with an idea, they come up with a solution to a big problem statement, they are building the startup and they feel that अब एक वक्त आ गया है that we need a VC backing. So as young students, without any network, without any knowledge about the VC ecosystem, वो कैसे एक इन्वेस्टर को रीच आउट करे एंड कैसे वो फंड रेस करे? हाउ वुड यू आंसर दैट?
So I'll tell you how I started by doing it because even I was raising capital in college, right? जब मैं लोग इन्वेस्टर के पास जाता था तो इन्वेस्टर तो बोलते थे भाई हम आपकी उम्र का मेरे घर में बच्चा है, मैं उसको पॉकेट मनी तक नहीं देता. मैं आपको पैसे कैसे दूँ. So eventually it takes time to build credibility, right? So what you can and what you should do is just meet people without purpose. I think that is my mantra of life. जब भी मैंने ना लोगों से expectation रख के मिला है, I have always been nervous. I have always had very, very transactional things in mind, right? So for the first 2-3 years of my life, when we were setting up Far Capital, we just did events without any purpose. We used to do open networking events. लोग आते थे, मैं literally 1 या 2 लोग को जानता था, उसके अलावा everybody was unknown and we used to just make connections from scratch, right? And eventually from there, we met certain people who said, यार तुम बढ़िया काम कर रहे हो, we would like to invest in you. Like we would like to see you grow this further. We like you, we like your spirit. And then that's how I met my first set of investors, right? Because I had no financial backing, no godfather in the industry, right? Parents बहुत ही service background से आते हैं. I was the first generation entrepreneur from my family. So I think just keep meeting people, keep expanding your network in college, right? Even if you're from different college, talk to them, understand what are they doing in life, how you can help, right? I'm sure you would relate to this. You have also built your network, right? Like this. And लोग eventually मिल जाते हैं, right? People who are willing to help you would eventually find your way. And once you are growing in life also, like अपने work professionals life में भी grow करते हो, that network gets even stronger. Because first is you like the person, right? Business का simple असूल है. People buy people first and then they do business with them. If I like a person, of course I would want to interact more with that person. And जैसे जैसे उसकी business बढ़ता रहेगा, that bond gets even stronger because now you can transact business also. So just keep expanding people, have that vision in life कि what I eventually want to do. How would you get there is not the question. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि आज आप बता दो कि मैं 40 साल में क्या करना चाहता हूँ और let me ask you this question, where do you see yourself 5 years from now on? I don't want you to answer that question. I want you to answer simple thing. What is your vision in life? That's it. If your vision is clear, meet people with a vision, help them understand your vision, know their vision, solve each other's problem without any transaction or business. And eventually you would find people, basically your investors बोल लो, customers बोल लो, team members बोल लो, who would eventually want to be associated with your mission, right? Because then the question becomes, yeah, I like you. How can we make this into a business relationship? And now that business relation could be a team, co-founder, could be an investor, customer, whatever, right? Manufacturer, distributor. तो बस एक वो vision रखो life में.
So one more thing I've felt, especially in young kids, and कि बहुत सारे बच्चे startup करना चाहते हैं out of FOMO. कि ये लोग Shark Tank देखते. How many of you see Shark Tank or watch Shark Tank on TV? पता है Shark Tank, right? So बहुत सारे बच्चे होते हैं जो कि उनके पास credible startup ideas है, they want to build something, and a lot of them just want to build startup out of FOMO because they're saying कि अभी इंडिया में startup grow हो रहा है, people are talking about startups, entrepreneurs and founders are being seen as heroes. So according to you, what is the best time to realize that this is the time that I can do a startup? This is the right time or this is the right moment that I should start a startup. तो उनको कैसे पता चले कि वो एक उनका गोल है या उनका एक FOMO है?
I think ये एक perfect वो चीज़ है कि whether you actually like the girl or whether you just are admired by the personality, right? Either आपकी relationship है या infatuation है, right? तो very very important that how you do in real life is how you do in startups. Go deeper inside that problem, right? Understand that whether this is something that you actually want to do, right? And I ask myself 2-3 simple questions. अगर इस startup से आपको पैसा नहीं मिला for the next 2-3 years of your life, can you still survive? Are you still passionate enough to do it? अगर second चीज़, अगर let's say आपको इस startup के लिए right from scratch एक team build करनी हो and you have to basically explain your mission to people 1,000 times over and over again, can you do it? If the answer is yes, then yes, you are ready for startup. But the second thing is, there is no right time to do a startup. कोई right time है ही नहीं. And in this book also, I've written a story of a company called Chai Sutta Bar. How many of you have heard of this company called Chai Sutta Bar? Right. So मैंने अनुभव दुबे, who's the founder, उससे भी यही पूछा यार कि नाउ दैट गाय वांटेड टू डू IAS. ये आज दिल्ली में आया IAS की प्रिपरेशन करने. IAS निकला नहीं. डैड चाहते थे IAS ऑफिसर बने, बट इवेंचुअली देन डिसाइडेड कि नहीं, मुझे स्टार्टअप करना है. बट हाउ डिड दैट हैपन? अगेन गर्ल्स हॉस्टल के बाहर खड़ा होता था, क्योंकि बॉयज़ की लाइन लगती थी एंड बॉयज़ को चाय पीनी होती थी बिकॉज दे वर वेटिंग फॉर द गर्ल्स, राइट? एंड दैट्स हाउ इट स्टार्टेड.
जो आप गर्ल्स हॉस्टल के बाहर आप लाइन लगाते थे, तो वो सेल्स कन्वर्ट होता था, मतलब
एग्जैक्टली.
यू मेड अ गर्लफ्रेंड आउट ऑफ दैट?
नहीं, मैं तो खैर सिंगल हूँ. बट वो तो सारे स्टार्टअप फाउंडर का ये सेम ही है. बट आई थिंक what eventually happened with Anubhav also is कि उसको customers मिलने start हो गए. And then he set up a stall just outside, right? Just opposite to girls hostel, and लोग चाय पीने आए, right? And free में चाय देता था, free चाय campaign भी रखता था. इनफैक्ट अभी भी रखता है. Valentine's Day पे singles के लिए free चाय रखता है वो, right? So बहुत लोग आते हैं, right? बहुत लोग आते हैं उसकी चाय पीने. तो eventually for him also it was just a chance, right? Chance and action that happened. For me also it was just a chance. But I was a college student. I had my 2017 I took my GMAT exam. I had a very good score. I had an offer from a top US university also. But eventually सोचा कि यार startup India में build कर रहा है, let's just take a chance and build it. And then that's how I started meeting people and just like business चला. COVID हुआ, COVID के बाद actually we picked up. COVID तक we were just passing by. फाड़ को 10 साल हो गए, but actually all of our investments have come in the last 5 years, not the first 5 years.
So मेरे दिमाग में एक ही सवाल आ रहा है, आपका इतना अचीवमेंट है, you are the youngest Padma Shri nominee. इतने सारे, इतने at the age of 20 have done so many achievements. Why are you single?
यही तो है, लाइफ में एक अचीवमेंट रह जाती है हमेशा. बाकी सारी अचीवमेंट्स चेज करते हुए. बट नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. I've been into relationships. बट ठीक है, काम के साथ साथ.
So do you, since you have been into relationship, you're now single, and I presume that you have had breakup in the past. So in any way did breakup shape up your career?
ठुकरा के मेरा प्यार.
So sorry, I didn't ask. So breakup with a girl or a guy?
नहीं गर्ल. नहीं गर्ल. एग्जिट तो स्ट्रेट ही लिया मैंने, चाहे स्टार्टअप में हो चाहे. एक्चुअली आई थिंक हाँ, वो लाइफ में करना तो बहुत कुछ था, बट ब्रेकअप ने एक्सेलरेट कर दिया कि भाई सब कुछ जल्दी करना है, राइट? बट I think that's a negative way of doing things. But I think yes, there were a lot of less people to believe when I actually was doing things, right? And even my parents also, I say for a time being, because of course they had a very different thought process in life. And जब मैंने ये करा, मतलब imagine यार, going to I went to the top college for studying finance in India called Shahid Sukhdev. मतलब 10,000 बच्चों में 21 बच्चों को सिर्फ एडमिशन मिलता है. Cracked an all India entrance exam rank and went into the top 21. But उसके बाद भी you are just meeting people without expectation. आप इंटरव्यूज़ में नहीं बैठ रहे हो. मेरा फाइनल राउंड इंटरव्यूज़ होते थे इन कंपनीज लाइक डेलॉयट, मैकेंजी, सारी टॉप मैनेजमेंट कंसल्टिंग फर्म्स. नहीं बैठता था. 18-19 लाख की नौकरियाँ होती थी वो, राइट? But I think a lot of less people believed in me. And eventually then I started drifting away from people in life and started focusing कि भाई काम से ही सब कुछ करना है. वो यंग ब्लड एनर्जी होती है ना, कि भाई काम से ही सबको प्रूफ करके दिखाएंगे कि हम ही बॉस हैं, हम ही राजा हैं. तो हाँ, वो ये रीज़न रहे हैं काफ़ी सारे.
So want to ask, how, I'm very interested to know that how did a shift happen? How did that shift happen from being an intern at Fard Capital to being the CEO? And in how many years of time did it happen?
3 years. 2.5, 3 years. Yeah.
So in 2.5 to 3 years, you turned from an intern at Fard Capital to CEO at Fard Capital. So how did that happen? That's a very big move.
एक्चुअली हो तो एक ही साल में गया था, बट मैं तब कॉलेज में था, तो मैंने कहा यार कॉलेज तो नहीं छोड़ सकता, तो सीईओ की पोजीशन में 2018 से रिज्यूम करूंगा. मैंने ग्रेजुएट फ्रॉम कॉलेज.
सो हर एक कंपनी में एम्प्लॉयज तो बहुत होते हैं.
यस.
बट प्रमोशन मिलते मिलते एकदम बुढ़ापा हो जाता है, 5 बच्चे हो जाते हैं. बट माई क्वेश्चन इज विद इन
मेरे 2 ब्रेकअप ही हुए सर.
सो माई क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट डिड यू डू और व्हाट डिफरेंस यू ब्रॉट इनटू द टेबल दैट इतना जल्दी अब इंटर्न से कोई एक जॉब रोल भी नहीं, डायरेक्ट सीईओ बन गए आप? व्हाट यू डिड डिफरेंट? व्हाट वाज द माइंडसेट?
I think 2017 is when the things changed. I was so passionate, मतलब irrespective of FAD का working hours and everything, in college के सारे भी जितने भी case assignments and everything, मेरे में कीड़ा था यार कि मुझे startups, for me startups was just about meeting new people and getting that thrill, that rush कि boss ये this person has great energy and I would want to invest in them. Right? And I just met people, all, no matter whatever the event. I used to stay in North Delhi, events सारे South Delhi and Gurgaon में होते थे. I used to travel for 2 hours, one side, just to meet people. I was just so passionate about meeting new people. And the very first founder or that I met in 2017, way back, again, that's one of the crazy exit story also. He was selling eyewear glasses. And everybody used to say no to him. वो हर जगह जाके pitch करता था. People were like, Lenskart is there, right? Why would somebody need to buy glasses online? And I just met him. I asked this question, aren't you tired of rejections? And he answered me in a simple way. Rejections are something that I think we haven't met the right people. So it's just, rejections are just a face of that. And I asked him, okay, how are you actually different from Lenskart? And his answer was simple. Lenskart you would find in a shopping mall selling eyewear glasses for 1,300, 1,400. What about tier 2 villages? Right? What about tier 3? What about villages? कोटा के एक छोटे से शहर में कहाँ से eyewear Lenskart आएगा? And 1,200, 1,300 rupees पे, will it be affordable? No. Right? Because eyewear is, most of you are wearing glasses. You would relate to the fact कि अगर आपके चश्मा खराब हो गया, you need answer immediately. You can't wait for days. Right? And we invested in this company. They had one store. I backed that founder, got them to invest at FAD. It took me 6 months to find the right investor. But that company today, again, guess the exit, guess the amount of money that we would made multiple on that. नहीं 61 तो अरे सारी छक्के मार दे हैं 61. It's a lesser multiple, but we made almost 17 times on that, 17x in just 18 months. So now that company has stores, eyewear stores, 109 stores across India. We invested when they had one, right? And my investors made almost on a 50 lakh investment, right? 17x up kar lo. On just a 15 lakh investment, made almost $1 million out of it, right? So I think that is the company that I got after thousands of rejections of the founder, thousands of rejections. 6 months में मेरे को लगा एक 40-50 लाख रुपए लेके आने के लिए. But I think that gave me the confidence in life कि boss, I have a knack for picking up companies. I can pick up founders. I can do this time and again, and I love doing this.
In short, you're someone who knows how to talk to people,
Yeah.
build a vibe,
Yes.
understand them as a human,
Exactly.
and decide whether you should invest in the founder or not.
Exactly.
So, in short, if somebody wants to raise capital from Fund Capital, right? They want investment from Fund Capital, fund from Fund Capital. My question is, if they want to reach out to you, how do they reach out to you? Because you must be getting thousands of emails every
Yeah.
month. You
Yeah,
must
yeah.
not be reading each and every email. आप हर एक email नहीं पढ़ते होंगे.
Yeah.
So, if somebody has to reach out to you with a pitch, should they meet you physically or they reach out to you on LinkedIn, Instagram?
I think LinkedIn, Instagram पे तो आपको भी पता है अब creators तो बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है to actually do out replies. But I think emails is the best way, right? Then there is website also. You can log on to the website, apply, submit your pitch. There you have a proper form and everything. You can submit your pitch. www.fad.in. Then apart from that, link, email ID is also simple. aditya.arora@fad.in. You can just submit your pitch there. LinkedIn पे भी of course you can reach out, but it takes me थोड़ा सा time to reply. But yeah, definitely. And best way is after this event, why not? मतलब happy to speak to people, happy to do your random pitch, right? आप में बस जिगरा होना चाहिए. ढूंढने से तो भगवान भी मिल जाते हैं. मैं तो फिर भी आदित्य अरोड़ा ही हूँ.
How many of you know what an elevator pitch is? किसको पता है elevator pitch क्या होता है? Nobody knows what is an elevator pitch. Everybody of you raise your hand when I ask how many of you watch Shark Tank. Define elevator pitch.
Right. आप में से कौन लोग एलिवेटर में गए हो? सभी गए होगे, राइट? कोई एलिवेटर में नहीं गया कहते सर सीढ़ियाँ ही चढ़ के जाता हो तो भाई सॉरी आपके लिए. बट elevator में if you exactly notice, right, the reason it is called elevator pitch is time is hardly in seconds, right? आप ground floor पे हो, you are going on 10th floor, 12th floor, मतलब not more than 30 seconds, right? अब once you met a VC, आप कोई इन्वेस्टर, लेट्स से आप मुझे एक एलिवेटर में मिल जाते हो एंड आपको अपना आइडिया पिच करना है. अब आप अपना पूरा पिच डेक तो प्रेजेंट करोगे नहीं. हाय सर, माय नेम इज दिस एंड दिस, सर आई माय बैकग्राउंड वाज दिस, आई वाज स्टडीइंग दिस. अगर आप ये करोगे 30 सेकंड्स तो ऐसे ही हो गए. So elevator pitch, the reason it's called elevator is 30 seconds. You have to be spot on and talk about your business in just 2 or 3 simple things. One is, what problem are you solving? Solve क्या कर रहे हो? Second is, what uniqueness you are adding to solving this problem. आपका तरीका unique क्यों है? Third is, why you are the best person to solve this problem, right? And lastly is, what exactly do you need? After doing all of this, your ask should be very clear. 3-4 simple चीज़ें. 30 seconds, just summarize in one lines. Because elevator pitch, जैसे let's say VC elevator छोड़ेगा, अपने होटल जाएगा, जिम जाएगा, जहाँ पे भी जाएगा. नेक्स्ट जो फॉलो अप एक्शन बचेगा उसके लिए यही है कि आइदर यू गेट द नेक्स्ट मीटिंग विद देम. उसके 30 एलिवेटर पिच में वो इन्वेस्ट नहीं कर देगा आप पे. 30 सेकंड्स उनके कोई इन्वेस्ट नहीं कर देता. इवन शार्क टैंक भी जो आप जो देखते हो वो 10 मिनट का टेलीवाइज वर्जन होता है, बट वो एक्चुअल शूटिंग 1.5-2 घंटे की होती है, राइट? वो फॉर्मेट 10 सेकंड का करा जाता है, राइट? इट्स नॉट अ 10 मिनट्स पिच. सो इवेंचुअली, राइट, एलिवेटर पिच को स्पॉट ऑन रखना है और आज सिंपल है कि योर नेक्स्ट मीटिंग, योर नेक्स्ट डेट शुड फॉर द इन्वेस्टर शुड बी अ लॉन्गर मीटिंग. फ्रॉम एन एलिवेटर शुड बी अ लॉन्गर मीटिंग. दैट्स एन एलिवेटर पिच.
Now, you recently authored a book called Startups of Bharat, which is now a national bestseller. How many of you know about Startups of Bharat? कितने को पता है?
थोड़े लोग हैं. अरे अच्छे से हाथ उठाओ यार.
So
धीरे-धीरे हाथ उठा रहे हैं.
recently Aditya launched a book, and I think in the span of just a month,
Yeah. It's just a month actually. It's just been a month only. Yeah.
it turned out to be a national bestseller, where he has talked about some of the top 30, some of the best founders in the country. I would love you to throw some light on what you have exactly written in the book.
Right. So Jesse, I think I told you about Chai Sutta Bar Anubhav, right? So ऐसे करके we have figured out 14 stories of entrepreneurs under the age of 30 who built $1 million companies in college, just after college. And all these founders are somebody जिनके brands आपको पता होंगे, but stories नहीं पता होंगी उस format में. How many of you have heard of Physics Wala? Right. How many of you have heard of Bharat Pay? Right. How many of you have heard of Chai Sutta Bar? तो आपने बोल लिया था. Bolt Audio किसने सुना है? राइट. सो अब इतने सारे आपके ब्रांड्स आपने सबने सुने हैं, बट इनकी फाउंडर स्टोरीज नहीं पता होगी. लेट्स से एंड एवरी चैप्टर वी हैव ब्रोकन डाउन इनटू सिंपल इनसाइट्स व्हाट स्टूडेंट्स कैन एक्चुअली लर्न फ्रॉम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फिजिक्स वाला सबने सुना है. फिजिक्स वाला का चैप्टर वी हैव नॉट रिटन कि फिजिक्स वाला कैसे बना. वी हैव रिटन कि फिजिक्स वाला यूट्यूब चैनल से यूनिकॉर्न स्टार्टअप जब बना तो उनका माइंडसेट क्या था. बोल्ट ऑडियो हम सबको पता है. बोल्ट ऑडियो के मैंने ये नहीं लिखा कि बोल्ट ऑडियो कैसे बना. बोल्ट ऑडियो अमेजोन पे हर 3 सेकंड में एक प्रोडक्ट सेल करता है, हर 3 सेकंड में. अभी जैसे मैंने उनका इंट्रोडक्शन भी दिया, उन्होंने 2 प्रोडक्ट सेल कर दिए हैं, राइट? तो 3 सेकंड में जब वो सेल करता है, वो प्राइसिंग कैसे क्रैक करी उसने. भारत पे ने अपने फर्स्ट 100 यूजर्स कैसे क्रैक करे, राइट? जब UPI आया था, गूगल पे एंड एवरीबडी वाज देयर. Cracking the first 100 users was the toughest part because their users were not users, were merchants. So how did they crack the first 100 merchants? So all these stories we've crystallized into real-time practical insights for anybody who's building a startup, even not building a startup. तो अगर आप अपनी जर्नी में हैं तो आपको पहले 100 यूजर्स एक्वायर करने हैं, अपना प्रोडक्ट का प्राइस रखना है. एंड व्हाट बेटर टू लर्न देन फ्रॉम रियल लाइफ केस स्टडीज ऑफ पीपल हु हैव डन दैट. तो इट्स नॉट अ मोटिवेशनल बुक, इट्स नॉट एन इंस्पिरेशनल बुक, इट्स अ प्रैक्टिकल लोडेड केस स्टडी. It's an actionable book of how you can basically build into insights on this. And all my insights of investing in companies like Snappy and so many others over the years, I put into that, right, in that book.
Now, moving to the last part of this session, I want some questions from the audience. Whatever questions you have from Aditya, because this is the moment. ऐसा chance आपको दोबारा नहीं मिलने वाला है.
Hello, I am Anirban. And my question is to you is that, is the startup is the right thing for everyone? For personally myself, I prefer or like to have a lot of money. Okay, that's my primary goal.
Sure.
And to make money, and there is there the only thing which I can do is startup. Is this the right thing for me? How do I find out the startup is the only right thing to make money, a lot of money out of me?
Everybody wants to make money in life, right?
Yeah.
But I think if your only goal is to just make money in a startup early on, there's no harm in making money. But if your only goal is to make money for yourself early on, I would say wait a time to do a startup. Don't do it just away. Because in the first 2-3 years, right, of your journey, you make money, but not for yourself. Eventually, you make money for company, for your customers, for your investors, for everybody. After some point of time, you start making actual money for yourself, right? So, if you want to make money patiently, yes, startup is your goal. But if you want to make वो एक दिन में 25 दिन में पैसा डबल वाला, right? हेरा फेरी वाला, तो then startup is actually not the game, because it takes time to actually build companies, scale companies, and actually go to a level, right? So yeah, as in for startups, figure out is your way to solve a problem. Is that your cause? If that is your cause, then pick up a startup firstly. But if you are okay with not making money for the first 2-3 years, 4 years, 5 years of your life, I think then startup is your calling.
So first thing, I guess, for all of us who come from a middle class family, the toughest part is to convince our parents. So how did you do that?
I think great question. I'll probably go ask my dad. How did I do that? So my thing was simple. In early age, in college, what we have is leverage, right? Leverage is of time. We have time on our hands. I said to my dad one very clear thing that honestly I'll speak to all of you. See, parents just want the best for you. Nothing against them, right? They eventually want the best for you. Now, what I said to my dad is, you want the best for me, and that's okay. That's something that I love. That's something you should do as a dad. But maybe this time let me figure out what is best for me, right? So give me 2 years. Let me prove something. If in those 2.5 years you are not happy with, let's say, what I'm doing or where I'm progressing in my life, we can sit back, have that discussion, and say, what do you want me to do next in life? Second thing I said, if let's say in those 2.5 years, I'm able to achieve that, or I'm able to show you some progress and you feel proud of me, we'll never have this discussion. But and that's how I made a barter. And if I asked him, Dad, if I be successful in life, tomorrow would you take credits? He said yes. I said, Dad, if tomorrow I fail in life, would you take the blame? He said no. I said, then just give me 2 years of my life. If you want to take the success and not the failure, let at least me drive the fact that whether it turns out to be success or failure. And just for that, I need 2 years. I took time as a leverage, and I think after that, we never had that discussion. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
So I have a question that we are students right now. So how to build our, I think, more growth mindset, or a mindset that will help us in the future? Because I want to achieve like great heights in my life. So I want, like, what are the things or the steps I should take from now to become what I want to become?
Yep. So this is something we've covered in, of course, Startups of Bharat as well, right? The mindset part is very important, because if you basically want to grow in life, it's just about a matter of perspective. अगर आप अपनी life में देखोगे कि where you are right now, and if you look at it from a negative perspective, you'd always find out mistakes that, okay, you're not doing anything and you are just like wandering in life. If you look at it from a positive mindset, you would say that, okay, you've made yourself capable to be in this room. You are listening to speakers, you're learning from their experiences, and probably you can learn something from today and actually bake some of those things into your own life. So eventually, first is develop the mindset, right? That it's a long journey. It's going to be patient. A lot of people, जैसे हमने भी बात करी, right? कि lot of you asked me that I have achieved a lot of things, but it's taken me 10 years of my life also, right? 10 or 11 years. Almost, I'm still not 30, and it's taken me 1/3 of my life, right? More than 1/3 of my life. So first is be patient. Second is just have that mindset to actually that not everything would be rosy. You would eventually have failures also along the way. Third is have fun while doing it as well. a lot of you don't know that when I was actually doing through those journeys of breakups and not being able to do anything in life, I was actually turned to stand-up comedy also. And I was actually doing stand-up comedy. I performed jokes, right, for a lot of comedians. And that was not the purpose of my life. I never wanted to become a stand-up comedian, but it helped me to have at least some fun in life, right? So enjoy the journey. Very, very important. अब मत बोलना जैसे आप देख रहे हो कि भाई एक सेट करके दिखा दिया, एक जोक दिखा दे. उसके अलग चार्जेस होते हैं भाई शो के. So eventually have fun in the journey, enjoy the journey, and last aspect is just have the biggest capital that you have at this point of time is people. You have so many people in the room, right? जो different backgrounds से आते हैं, जिनके different family backgrounds हैं, जिनके different life experiences हैं. Learn from them. Just say hi. Don't be shy. Don't be afraid. Don't be very self-picky or self-choosy of what people would think about, right? Don't just be too much into yourself. Meet people. And eventually, if you don't call your shots, 100% you would miss it. So call some of your, take some of those shots. And actually, maybe someday you will achieve that in life. Yeah.
Sir, I have another question, like how to deal with negativity, because as students we are facing very much negativity, and some are facing depression and mental issues. So how to deal with that?
एकदम सदगुरु मोड में जाना पड़ेगा. Life is nothing but a journey. अब थोड़ा स्टैंड अप बोल दिया तो ऑडियंस एक्सपेक्ट करेगी भाई थोड़ा जोक तो मारेगा ही. सो इवेंचुअली right, dealing with negative thoughts, see, everybody has their own thing, right? Some people turn to music, some people actually think about positivity. I have a very different thing. I start accepting negative thoughts. First thing is acceptance, because once I don't accept negative thoughts, they'll keep coming. Everything that I do is a decoy. मैं आइसक्रीम खा ली, मैंने गाने सुन लिए, मैंने कुछ भी फ्रेंड से बात कर ली, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, 1 घंटे रहता है, राइट? आपके साथ भी रहता है वो नेगेटिव थॉट्स फिर से आ जाते हैं, करेक्ट?
Yes.
रेज योर हैंड्स इफ लॉट ऑफ पीपल. ये बीच वाला क्राउड सब उठा लेता है. अब मैं पूछूंगा सास भी कभी बहुती किसने देखा है? यस. So eventually accept those thoughts and say that okay, it's okay to go through this in life. You are not only the one that is going through, a lot of people are going through. And figure out a way, become a problem solver कि ये रहेगा, ये नहीं रहेगा. For those who are not in your control, for those thoughts that are not in your control, ignore them. For those thoughts you are in your control, embrace them. And live with them every day till a time that eventually you come out of it and you are okay with having negativity. Right? For example, when I went through breakups, my negative thoughts kept coming. But then I slowly and steadily embraced that. Right? That there had to be some reason or some cause or some purpose in life. And maybe I faltered also somewhere down the line. And that eventually helped me to grow in life also. So yeah, start accepting them.
Sir, I basically have 2 questions. First one is, what's the best time to launch our product? Like, अगर हमारा
माइक थोड़ा ऊपर.
अगर हमारा मेन यूएसपी वर्किंग है तब लॉन्च करना चाहिए, या अगर हमारा सब कुछ टिप टॉप है तब लॉन्च करना चाहिए?
सब कुछ टिप टॉप कब होता है आपके पास? टिप टॉप तो कभी भी नहीं होता है. टिप टॉप के लिए पैसा भी चाहिए होता है ना? सो इवेंचुअली थिंग इज टिप टॉप तो कभी भी नहीं होगा. आपको टॉप पे रहना है बस, राइट? टॉप ऑन द मार्केट यार. इवेंचुअली द थिंग इज दैट यू हैव टू बी launch your product and then eventually build out also, because with customer feedback you eventually improve. So once you have a MVP जिसे हम कहते हैं, minimum viable product, that is the time when you go ahead, test out your features in the market and launch a product, right? And then eventually build it over user feedback.
Okay. And the next question is, अगर हमारा प्रोडक्ट बहुत कोई नीश डोमेन में है तो उसको मार्केटिंग कैसे करें? रेडिट, ट्विटर ये सब छोड़ के.
तो आपका प्रोडक्ट बहुत नीश डोमेन में है.
हाँ.
ओके. तो उसको मार्केटिंग कैसे करें?
हाँ.
मतलब सी मार्केटिंग जो अर्ली ऑन होती है मोस्टली इज वर्ड ऑफ माउथ, राइट? सो चाहे जितना भी नीश है, इफ योर कस्टमर्स आर टॉकिंग मोर ऑफ योर प्रोडक्ट देन इवेंचुअली इट इज सेलिंग फॉर इटसेल्फ, राइट? अगर आपका रेडी टू ईट में, तो अगर लेट्स से लोग उसकी प्रशंसा करेंगे, राइट, पीपल वुड अप्रिशिएट इट, ओनली देन दे काइंड ऑफ अदर पीपल वुड बाय इट. थर्ड मत पूछ लेना भाई, थर्ड पे हम फिर इक्विटी मांग लेंगे आपकी कंपनी में.
So I am Aditya.
Oh,
so basically
nice name.
Yeah.
Very nice name.
So basically my question is, suppose I have an idea, okay, and I want to pitch you. So what I have to consider? Like I have to focus on my problem and solutions part, or my vision, or anything else?
अभी तो आपने एलिवेटर पिच तो मैंने अभी आपको बताया
Yeah.
कि आपको किस चीज़ पे फोकस करना है, राइट? एक तो आपका नाम आदित्य है, तो 50%
Yeah.
काम तो आपका वैसे ही हो गया.
बिल्कुल.
अरे जस्ट किडिंग, ऐसा नहीं है. ऐसा होता तो मेरे सारे पोर्टफोलियो कंपनी के नाम के फाउंडर आदित्य ही होते हैं.
अच्छा.
एक तो मयंक भी है, देखो ऐसा नहीं है. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग इज कि आपको जब when you're pitching early on, you have to focus more on exactly the problem you're solving. Solution उस problem को कितना हद तक solve कर रहा है. What is the model with which you are solving the problem? पैसा कैसे बना रहे हो इससे, बहुत important,
Yeah.
right? How you're making money
Models.
from this, right? And I think like last is your ask. क्या चाहते हो मुझसे,
Okay.
right? Just पैसा ही दे सकते हैं वैसे, but तो वो पूछना है आपको, ठीक है?
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.